Today we're going to be checking out the Hellcat Red Eye style rear spoiler with a primer black finish for the 2008 to 2023 Challengers. This spoiler is going to be a great option for Challenger owners who want to add a bold, aggressive styling of the factory Hellcat Red Eye look while also gaining functional aerodynamic benefits. Right away, the standout feature of this rear spoiler is its Hellcat Red Eye inspired design. It offers the same aggressive profile and width as found on the high performance factory models, delivering commanding appearance that enhances the muscle car look of your Challenger. Whether your build is performance oriented or show ready, this spoiler makes an immediate visual impact. This piece isn't just for aesthetics though, it offers practical performance. By extending the rear deck and improving airflow over the back of the vehicle, the spoiler helps increase that rear end downforce at higher speeds. That aerodynamic stability can improve traction and control, particularly during aggressive driving or some track use. The spoiler comes right out of the box in this primer black color, giving you full customization over the final finish, or you can leave it as is for this matte black look that it comes in. This allows you to match your body color or create a nice eye-popping contrast to your body color. It's perfect for people building a car that want to personalize the look without being locked into a single style. Designed as a direct fit upgrade, the spoiler aligns with the existing Challenger trunk lid and includes pre-drilled mounting points for easy installation. It's going to work on both Challengers that came with the factory spoiler and the ones that didn't, though you might have to drill some minor holes depending on your configuration. This spoiler is made from very high quality ABS plastic, which is known for its lightweight strength and resistance to cracking and warping. The material handles daily exposure to the elements well and provides a smooth surface for painting. Its molded design ensures a consistent fit and finish across the length of the trunk lid, with integrated edges and contoured profile that mirrors the factory Hellcat Red Eye aesthetic. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that $200 price range. And for a component that adds aggressive style with some functional aerodynamics, plus the ability to customize the paint finish on it, it comes in at a pretty solid value for Challenger owners. Installation on this is pretty simple with the pre-drilled mounting points on the spoiler itself, so we're giving this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can expect the job to take you about 1 hour of your time. It includes all the mounting hardware that you're going to need and lines up perfectly with those factory spoiler locations, but you might have to drill a few holes if you don't already have a spoiler. Now let's see exactly how this install goes with an install video from one of our American Muscle customers.
Hello guys. Today we're going to be installing this rear spoiler. First, your spoiler is going to come with a bag full of these contents: screws, an Allen wrench, and 2 different inserts for this camera hole. So I'm actually going to take this off just so I can show you guys. So this comes separate and you pick which one you want based on if you have a camera hole, you're going to use this one. If you don't have a camera hole like me, then you're going to use this one. I can't really take this off again because as you can see, there's 3M tape in there. So once you guys get this and you choose, just peel this red piece off and place it in like so, and you'll be all good to go. So for this installation, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, and you'll need some adhesive or alcohol, and you will need this 3M tape. This comes provided, but I have extra. So first things first, let's get these things back screwed in there. Get you a flathead. Wow, I guess these aren't magnetic. Just screw those back in. And whenever you do clean your surface area, make sure you clean it with soap and water first. I'm actually about to go get me some, and then you can do the adhesive. You just want to get all that dirt off, the grime. As you can see, I still have some 3M tape on there, but it won't affect it. Cleaner right here. Spray that on there and get your surface area nice and clean. We're gonna let that dry, and you also want to clean the bottom. So make sure you clean this. This is just so the adhesive and the 3M tape work perfect together. You don't want any dirt or anything making it not stick. Next, we're gonna get your adhesive or alcohol. This can be alcohol too. Don't forget that. You wanna get your promoter. You just wanna clean your surface area real good, like so. Just making sure that adhesive gets on there. Okay, you wanna clean that real good. I don't think I'll need this second one, but actually, yeah, I will. So what you wanna also do is clean this, the bottom of the spoiler, with your adhesive or alcohol. So you just wanna clean real good under there. And make sure, try not to touch the part that you're cleaning with. Well, that you're cleaning. You don't want to touch it after you've already cleaned it. Got the adhesive on there. Okay, so we're gonna let those sit for a second just to dry. And I'm gonna tell you guys what you're gonna need to do with this 3M tape. So 3M tape comes in a lot of different sizes. I got an extra one just because I was not sure if I would run out. I just take you a big long strip like that and rip it off. And what you want to do is you want to just set it on there like so. You want to make sure it goes as straight as possible, like no curves or anything to where it won't stick or it'll get up, you know. Just make sure. And this is how you rip it. You go to the top, pull. It's pretty easy to rip. You're gonna put this in the spots I'm doing, so just top, bottom, middle, you know, just so your spoiler won't go anywhere. Especially if we're going the 3M tape instead of the screws. I don't want to drill into my metal, so we're just gonna go the 3M way. I guarantee you your spoiler will not come up if you do this right. It took me about at least an hour trying to get all this 3M tape off. You see that? Still won't come off. It's cool though. You won't see it. Try not to go over these screws or anything, because that will be a place that the 3M will not stick, and you could possibly have a lift in your spoiler from it. Make sure you're getting all these areas, the bottom, top. Bottom and top are really important. So the middle, you can just kind of put it everywhere like I've done, but the bottom and top are really important. Make sure it's evenly spaced and that you don't have too much space in between some, or it'll lift. And the reason I'm doing it in these small pieces is because if you would just put one long piece, it has a better chance of coming up than all these. So do not do that those long pieces. Keep them pretty short. You want to hold it like this to where this goes on. You're going to measure it up to your liking. Make sure it's center on both sides, and you can also center it up with this and your trunk button, or if you have a camera, you can center it up exactly with that trunk button and it'll fit perfectly. My 3M tape's trying to stick already on me. Okay, we're gonna put it about right. Make some minor adjustments before it gets all the way on, and that's how I like it. That looks perfect to me, guys. So we're gonna put some pressure on it. You're gonna put pressure all around. Just make sure you're putting pressure, pushing onto the car. Don't push the spoiler off, because because the adhesive promoter needs time to really lock the spoiler in. You get the bumper before you put it on. Do not put it on and just go in and just put it down. You want to either, if you have the camera hole or this, you want to match this up with this trunk button, as you can see here. Or if you have stripes, you want to put this in the middle and it'll match up perfectly. Another way you can see is looking here. This side does not connect to the car. It's meant to, you know, just be out. So as long as this is very close to this, then you've done fine with your matching. And you can come to this side and see here as well. And also go on your other side and look as well.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the Hellcat Red Eye style rear spoiler with the primer black finish for the 2008 to 2023 Dodge Challengers. And for all things Challenger, keep it right here at American Muscle.